Eco-Chic Trends 2025. Stone, wood, and nature-inspired designs for modern luxury living.
Step into the future of home design with modern luxury living. 2025 Home Trends in Stone, Wood and Sustainable Design. This year, nature-inspired homes are taking centre stage, blending elegance with eco-consciousness in ways that redefine modern luxury. Imagine spaces where natural stone accents and rich wooden textures create a warm, inviting atmosphere, as if your living room were a retreat from the hustle of everyday life.
Focal decor pieces, such as handcrafted wooden tables or stunning stone feature walls, serve as the heart of your home, narrating a story of timeless beauty and sustainability. These trends not only elevate your living space aesthetically, but also foster a deep connection to the soothing essence of nature, making every day feel like a rejuvenating escape. In 2025, sustainability meets sophistication as homeowners increasingly seek materials that are as kind to the planet as they are exquisite to the eye. Picture reclaimed wood furniture that carries history in its grains, alongside energy-efficient lighting that illuminates your home with a soft glow while significantly reducing your carbon footprint. Organic textiles add a touch of luxury, enveloping your space in comfort without compromising the environment. Focal decor elements like statement stone, fireplaces, or live-edge wooden shelves seamlessly merge functionality with artistry. These are not just design choices. They are lifestyle statements, inspiring a sense of harmony and comfort by reminding us that true luxury lies in creating spaces that nurture both the soul and the environment. Enter a world where modern luxury and nature exist in perfect equilibrium. The 2025 Trends in Stone, Wood, and Sustainable Design invite you to transform your home into a sanctuary of serenity and style. Whether it's the subtle grain of an oak floor or the bold texture of a marble countertop, Each detail is crafted to evoke feelings of joy and tranquility. Let your home be an embodiment of your values and aspirations, with decor that sparks meaningful conversations and touches the heart. By embracing these trends, you create a space that's not just aesthetically pleasing but truly purposeful, enriching your life and paving the way for a sustainable future. The result is a home that is a reflection of both personal style and a commitment to the planet, proving that elegance and eco-consciousness can go hand in hand.